Hi everyone, I'm August, and this week I'm doing a very easy, simple swipe with some cell activator going through it, some negative space. These are really easy to do, but they usually come out looking pretty okay. So how we're doing this is I'm using a Shelly Art Bloom recipe, and that is in the description below. I'm putting a white house paint pillow down. But I wanted negative space, and I didn't want that negative space to be white. So I'm going to transfer over a faux pillow to create a black background. And all that is I'm taking a paint that's mixed just like all my other paints. I'm pouring it onto this palette knife and then transferring it down onto the board. And now we have a black background for our swipe colors to go over. A couple things with the faux pillow. When you're pouring your paint on your palette knife, pour more than you think you need. You don't want to run out halfway through and then have to try to restart that. Pour a lot on there. Whatever you don't use, you just scrape it back into your pot of paint. The other thing is when you're laying that top color or your faux pillow down, get as close as you can to your pillow paint so you reduce air bubbles. If you're holding your palette knife up here and letting that paint just kind of drip off, you will get a lot of air bubbles. So after we had the background color, I started laying out just various colors going across the board here. Came in with this palette knife and swiped over them. That's just to blend the colors a little bit. Then I got a smaller palette knife, loaded the back up with Shelly Art Cell Activator, and made some lines going through it. Now just a couple, just to give it a little bit of interest. And when I'm doing this, you might notice when you're doing a swipe and you've got, let's say, a line of purple that you can see that's kind of running through the whole piece. I'll usually pick that line, and that's my line for my cell activator. And it ends up looking, I think it looks good. I think it looks good when you're following the lines and not going against the grain. So if all my lines from my blending are going in this direction, I don't really love a swipe of cell activator going down, but that's just my preference. So I believe that was everything. As always, Creations with Tanya is premiering directly after me, followed by Grandma Kathy's Art Venture, and both of their videos are in the description below. I really appreciate you guys being here, and I hope you have an excellent day.